My Talent Hub is my applicant tracking system, but it's much more than that. This is where you watch candidate interviews, review my resume and interview assessments, and add your own ratings and notes. You can shortlist candidates for each job while I handle the busy work, so you can focus on choosing the right hire. Clicking a job title takes you back to the original job post in case you need to revisit the requirements. Clicking a candidate's name opens their full assessment. All candidates who chose to apply appear here, regardless of interview type. Click the three dots beside a candidate's name to shortlist, hire, reject, or delete a candidate. If you select hire or reject, I'll automatically send the appropriate email using your saved automation templates. Every candidate who has applied, scheduled, or completed an interview appears in this list. You can search by name or job title in the upper right. For more precise control, click the filters icon. You can filter by job, location, role, or candidate status, including shortlisted candidates. For example, select a job, choose shortlisted, and apply the filter to instantly narrow your view. Let's open a candidate summary. Meet Career Feedback contains my detailed interview feedback. My AI resume feedback appears in the tab right next to it. Below that, you can add your own notes. Just remember to click Save Note after making changes. On the right, you'll see my resume rating, scored from 0 to 100. When a candidate completes their AI interview, you'll see my interview rating added here, scored from 0 to 100, along with my hiring recommendation. For convenience, you can shortlist or reject a candidate directly from this page. You can also assign your own internal rating using a 1 to 5 star scale. Below that, you'll see key highlights from the video interview. Click any moment to jump directly to that part of the recording. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the full interview transcript. Once you've shortlisted the candidates who are a strong fit, the next step is up to you. If the AI interview is sufficient, you can hire directly inside my interface. I'll send the next steps email using your saved templates. If you'd like a second interview with someone from your team, click Request Second Interview. I'll send the candidate a scheduling email connected to the Calendly account you've set up in Settings. In the next tutorial, I'll walk you through how to edit and use your email automation templates so I can contact candidates for you in your voice and on your behalf.